Hi there, I'm Sean Fletcher with the Northwest PBIS Network. Today we're going to take a look at downloading your trainer template site and making your first basic edits. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go to the trainer page that you'll find on the Northwest PBIS Network web page, and you'll go down to build your training site, and we're going to select that page. Once you're on that page, you'll see this big hyperlink here that says click here to download the template, and that's what we're going to do. So when you click that button, it'll take you to the template page, and this is the trainer template that you're going to download. Just a quick introduction. The first page is an introduction to yourself, the trainer, and you can put some of your experience and education on there. And I'm going to show you how to edit the personal information over here on the side. Then we have 3 different districts. If you need more than 3, then there will be a later video to show you how to update and add pages to your website. But to start off with, you'll be set up with 3 separate pages so that you can send districts to their own page where they have the materials that you have designed and developed for them. And then there's a page where this basically links to the network. So even once you've created your template, this will link back to the network. If there's recent information or things that they're wanting to promote or advertise, they can put it on this page so that people can keep up to date. And the last page on here is an evaluation page. After you've done a training, you can direct people to your web page to fill out the evaluation. And when they fill this out, this information will kick back to the Professional Development Committee of Northwest PBIS so that they can do evaluations of trainers and be able to know how they can better prepare people for doing trainings. So now that you're oriented to the page, what we're going to do is download the template. So up here in the right hand corner you see Use Template, and that's what we're going to click. It'll take you to this page. It's already selected Northwest PBIS Trainer Template, and we're going to give it a name. So we're going to name this one Test Template. And you can name yours whatever you want it to be. And then we're going to click Create. Alright, once your page is downloaded, then you can see it says the name that you called your page. I called mine Test Template, so it shows Test Template up here in the corner. And then this is now your website. And what we're going to do is do some basic edits to it to get it set up how you want it. So the first thing to know is if you are not signed in to your Google accounts, then you will not see any of the tools to edit up here. So what you need to do to start off with, if you're not signed in, is go down to the bottom and there will be a little link here that says sign in. You enter your information and then it will give you the options to start editing. We're ready to edit, so just to give you a quick orientation to the page, the pencil gives you the option to just do edits, basic edits to the page. If you want to add a page to your website, there's a button here for adding a new page, and then this tab which says More gives you a lot of options as far as managing your website and setting it up the way that you want it to be set up. But for now, what we're going to do is click on the pencil. Once you click on the pencil, it gives you the option to edit your page. Most of the functionality is just like you would see in Word or any other word processing document. You can just tap your cursor where you want it to go. You've got your options up here for changing your font and style, bullets and orientation, and so on. So what you're going to want to do is go through and do a little intro for yourself to introduce schools to who you are as a trainer, and maybe give a little bit of your experience, and then we'll go from there. But what we want to do to help you get set up is we want to change the picture that's in the corner and your contact information. So you'll just click in here and change your contact information by typing it in. For the picture, what you'll do is click on the picture and you're going to go down to this X right here which says Remove, and you're going to click the X to remove the picture. And there it goes. So now we need to add a picture. So what we'll do is go up to the top of this text box and create a little space for ourselves there. And I have a picture on my desktop that I'm going to use as an example, but you can pull pictures from anywhere on your computer. If you can find it on your computer, you'll be able to slap it in there. So what you're going to do is go over to Insert and click Insert, and we're going to say an image. And now we have some options. We're going to choose a file from our computer. So we're going to click Choose File. And here's my picture right here. It's a screenshot. And we're just going to click on that and click Open. It pulls the picture up to make sure that it's the right one. And then we're going to say OK. And you can see that it's been embedded in the page. Once you get your picture embedded and your contact information the way that you want it to, what we're going to do with the page is save it as a template. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Before we do that, we just need to save the changes we've already made. So we're going to click the Save button. Alright, we've got the page set up. You've got your picture imported in there. You've changed your contact information. We're going to save this page as a template to make some future edits easy. So what you'll do is go over to this button that says More, and we're going to go to Save Page as a Template, and we're going to call this Banner with Picture, and click Save. So what it'll do once you click the Save button is it'll take you to the page, and it's basically saying, is this really the template that you want? We're actually going to delete the text that's in here. So that what our template will be is the banner, the picture, and our contact information. So once you create a template, what I've realized is that Google kind of dumps you off of your site. So this provides us an opportunity to find where to find our site once we've got it created. So what you'll do is you'll go to your Gmail account, just your regular email, and you can see this banner up top here. It's going to say Sites, and you'll click the button that says Sites, and you'll find your page. We called ours Test Template, and so it's sitting right here for us. What I should have recommended at the beginning, and what I'm going to recommend right now, is that you bookmark this page so that in the future you can find it really easily. So we're just going to say that we want it on our bookmarks bar, and that way I'll be able to find it in my bookmark in the future. So we're back on our page, we've created our template, and now it's going to be time to edit a couple of our different pages. So what we're going to do is go to our district page, and you can see this is the old picture, and we want your picture in there with your updated information. So we're going to edit this page with the default template. And we're going to click on More and go down to Change Page Template, and we're going to find the template that we said was Banner with Picture. So you just select Banner with Picture. You want to check this box that says Apply Default Content from Template so that it actually changes the picture and contact information. We'll click Change, and now you can see district number 1 has got our new picture and updated contact information. Alright, at this point your page is pretty much set up. What I'd encourage you to do is go through and do the same procedure for District 2 and District 3 by updating the template and saving those. When you finally have a district that you're going to be working with, all that you'll do is click on the page that says District 1, and you'll go to Edit. And we're just going to say the first district that we're going to work with is Clackamas ESD. Change the title, click Save, and then you'll see that district number 1 changed to Clackamas ESD. The next video will show you how to enter your training materials onto this page. I hope that helped. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. Thanks.